Guess what, guys? I found out something very interesting today, and today was my first time of hearing it. I don't know you could make money online from Jumia as a J-Force. I don't know if you heard about J-Force. J-Force is just like a sales consultant that works for Jumia. Now, this is what you are going to be doing as a sales consultant. You are going to be ordering goods on behalf of someone, and you are going to be getting your commission. You can still get your profit on top of those goods. This is it. For instance, now there are a lot of products out there on Jumia. A buyer can actually post their own for 6,000 naira, while the other buyer is going to post their own for 5,000 naira, while another one will post for their own for 9,000 naira. You as a sales consultant, or you are as a J-Force, you can actually post the good on that you see on Jumia, post on your WhatsApp status, your Facebook, anywhere that you want to post that good, so you want to sell it to. If you have a video of people that actually review this stuff, you can actually post on your TikTok to get more review, and you put your own price, then you order from them, and just tell the person that this is also let their customer know that this is also they'll be able to get the particular goods that they bought. Now let's talk about what is J-Force and everything about it. Answer these questions about J-Force. The first question goes like this: what is Jumia J-Force all about? Sorry, I'm reading from my phone. J-Force is a program run by Jumia, as I said earlier, the largest African online marketplace, which consists of a network of independent sales consultants paid on commission. As a J-Force, you are going to get paid on commission. We work both with client company and assist customers to place order on a company e-commerce platform. Now, how do I contact J-Force? There's their email here. Yeah, I'm going to put it on the screen. You can actually contact them there. Expect a reply within 72 hours from them. J-Force representative through our monthly meeting, dedicated phone line for J-Force related inquiry through. I'm going to put the number on the screen too. Customer service for any issue related to order delivery, order placement, and refund via. There's number there too that you can actually contact. How to work with Jumia and get paid. Now, how it works: register on our platform under 5 minutes. I'm going to be putting the link in the description box so you can have access to it, so you don't have to stress yourself. I don't know if I'm going to get the commission, but I don't know yet. But I just came across this thing today, and I'm making video on it today. The registration form and submit required documents: business registration, bank account details. Become an e-commerce expert. Complete the dedicated new seller training. List and sell your products. You can also sell products as well. Access our promotions and marketing. There are lots more. You have to go and check it out. How to get commission from Jumia? Register, start working immediately if you are an affiliate, or receive approval within a week if you are a content creator or an influencer. Advertise, promote Jumia various campaigns and enjoy tracking link up to 7 days, as well as discount code. Then 3, hen. So this is basically that you are just working as let me just say a sales representative on Jumia. That's what J-Force actually do, and this was the video they posted on it as well on their YouTube what's it called, platform. That will be the end of today's video. I'm going to show you how I actually registered my phone soon. So I'm going to show you how I registered on that particular platform. You don't have to stress yourself. You can also use the link to get access to that particular. So I'm going to be dropping the link so you can actually register if you have interest in it. Okay, that will be the end of today's video. I hope this is helpful, and also do not forget to subscribe if you have interest in making money online, business ideas and tips. That is what we do here. All right, see you in my next video. Bye, take care.